left side, you can give right side. So for example, sometimes we use, suppose heading 3, and I am defining like input group. So prepend. So prepend actually. So this is a div, and we have a span. Excuse. And here I have the class is equal to input group text, and I defined as ampersand hash 8377 semicolon. This is actually prepend and append. Append means right side, prepend means left side. We have input type is equal to text, and class is equal to form control. And so we have another span, class as input group text, and here we have 0.00 like this defined, and everything combined in a class input group. So that gives that appearance for input group in this way. You see the left side we have text, we have right side text. Now many people ask, can I keep center also? You can keep center also. I can understand your problem. Immediately you will come, because some people have a special doubt. Can I keep center? Because I haven't shown center. Huh? So you can keep input group anywhere. Input group centered. So that means just what you do is we define it, input type is equal to text. So class as form control. And here we have another span. So class as this is input group text. Input group text we have defined. And all these are present in a div actually. Let's keep in a div. And one more text we have right side. So that means here we defined @, and here I will give a class as input group defined, and it will give the appearance in this way. You have in center now, right? You can have center, left, right. You can have anywhere. Just your content will look like combined. In older version, you have options like append, prepend, like options were there. But now we don't need them. We can simply achieve such type of input groups just by using input group and input group text. We can define that. So that is, while designing the forms, we have this example for input group. That's how we define input groups and configure them. That is input group. Next, after understanding the forms, if I want to keep side by side as one, then we have to use these input groups. Next, after that, we have the navigations and the tabs, how we can design the navigation and tabs. Generally, for creating the basic navigation, we have 3 simple options actually. So navigation, a basic navigation, not dynamic. Dynamic navigation, some more options you have to learn. For basic navigation, you have options like nav. We have like nav item. We have like nav link. And generally, you also have like nav tabs. You can give in a tab style. We have like nav pills. We have like a pill style. So we have like nav tabs actually. And we have like nav pills. These are basic navigation. This is actually basic navigation. That means when you design, we cannot make it functional. To make it functional, we need to learn about another concept, tabs. That means how to manage the tabs. If you learn how to manage the tabs, you can combine both of them. Actually, so for navigation, these are the general basic, this is normal navigation. Nothing special here. So that means, but this is used in general in-page navigation actually. To create the main navigation toolbar, there is another option. So we have HTML, head, title, nav, and we have this link and the body section, and configured with the class container fluid. And here we are creating a heading now. And I will keep here an unordered list in that list item. So we have some options. Generally, for the options, usually what we need is to define like home, or like a list item like about, and a list item like contact. And these are actually anchors. These are actually anchors. So we can later click them and put some functionality also. Generally, these have normal appearance like this. Nothing special is there for them. But now see what nav can do is we can use this ordered list class as nav. And these are considered as nav item. So that means every list item is considered as nav item. And every link inside is considered as nav link. We have nav link. We design them as nav links. So we have defined and used it as, I don't know who are you, Guru Lakshmi. Everyday classroom examples are uploaded into the classroom. I don't know where you are looking at. So if you don't know how to see, contact our admin, he will tell you. Understood? Every example that we are discussing in the class, they are all sent into the classroom. I hope you found them or not. You are unable to see them. Huh? You are unable to see the everyday classroom examples. Huh? Then what is this question now? You are asking me to send classroom examples. I am already sending classroom examples every day. I hope you understood. Still you are asking like again send examples. What should I send again? Can you tell me that? Everyday classroom example I am sending in the classroom. Then you have a very big question here. Can you please send classroom example to practice? What you are doing, you are not practicing. Huh? You don't know how to see our classroom examples. Huh? We have a Google Classroom called classroom.google.com. In that Google Classroom, we have our class. So this is the class 4 p.m. in this class. So this is the classroom related examples we are posting every day. Huh? So these components have already all the contents uploaded. So here you have all the examples. When you open this document, the Bootstrap model, here all the examples are uploaded that we are discussing in the class. I hope you don't open the file and see them, right? You just see the dates. Huh? Please open the file, then scroll down, then so many pages will come. In those pages, our classroom examples will be there. Our genius people, what they do, they will go to the classroom and they will see that posted on June 5. Sorry, yesterday example not there. So I hope now you can find the classroom examples and you know how to see the classroom examples. Am I right? And don't complain that I am not posting classroom examples. Huh? Because some people are very dumb, in such a dumb way that they don't even open the file and see what is there in the file. And they will say that you are not posting examples to practice. Don't be so silly. Huh? Once check what is there in the file, then talk about. Okay. Right. So now we have these all options. Right. So this is unordered list. In the unordered list, so we have a nav. Nav usually have a nav item. In the nav item, we usually have nav links. And this is the nav link. And you see, this is the nav links. Just appearance. So we don't have any href for that. So href for navigation. Later, I will show you a tab combination. With the tab combination, we can make it function also. This is navigation. This is home, about, contact. Just it will keep side by side. Actually, we have a technique of nav tabs. When I put this navigation as nav tabs, it becomes like a tab-like. You can see when I move the mouse onto it, it becomes like a tab-like. I can keep the first item as active. So it becomes like an active. But under that, we can display different elements. I will show you. We have nav tabs like combination, or we have nav pills like combination. Pills. Actually, pills are not suitable here. Pills are suitable if you are designing buttons here, not just links. So if you have links, then you can use nav tabs. Nav tabs will display the tab-like combination here. Now, another point is we can make it functional also. That means when I click on about will come, contact will come, home will come. So these options will come. So we can do that by using another combination. For that, actually, these nav bars now should use. So tabs actually. We have to use a combination of nav and tabs. Combination of nav and tabs. With the tabs, we can display like tab-like appearance. So you can make this active. Suppose you see, this is general nav tabs, but it is only appearance. Suppose I put this nav link as active, home as active. That means that nav link is active. You see that home will display in a different color. That means it is active actually. It is active. And if I give the option like nav pills, then active one will display like blue color. So if I give nav tabs, it will display like tab color. Active will be this one. Suppose I give active for the second one. So about as active, then it will display the second one. About will be active. Under that, you can put some content also. That means when user clicks on home, about, contact, we can display that content below it. For that, we need to design tabs. We generally call them as nav tabs. So how we can create such nav tabs, I will tell you in the next level. We will discuss about the tabs, how to design. And this is a basic navigation design. We have to create the dynamic navigation, that is actually nav bar. Nav bar is like just real world navigation bars. Like we have Amazon. In the Amazon, they have this navigation bar. We can create such navigation bars. So now brands and all such, we can create such. For that, ready-made Bootstrap has nav bar. We can use that nav bar and design them. So how to design a dynamic navigation bar and use the tabs, that we will see. So in the next session, we will discuss about that, right? Tomorrow we will see. So in tomorrow's session, we will discuss about those options. Okay, right.